Well, this week on Dateline Schools, we're at the Economic Development Alliance and learning about Manufacturers Day that's coming up in October. And tell us all about it, my special guest is the Director of Business and Community Services here at the EDA, Bruce Seymore. And yesterday, Bruce, you gave us a pretty good idea of what students expect when they're at the manufacturing plants that they get a chance to tour. You get any aha moments from the kids or any results from the kids as they go there?
No question about that, Terry. Oftentimes, there still is a wrong impression of what manufacturing is. And this event opens up those eyes of the next generation of professionals and really gets a chance to see, that manufacturing isn't dark and dingy, the way that, often, it's stereotyped, but it is a fresh, new careers that are available within it. There are computers, there's robotics, there are a wealth of different types of jobs that are available, from marketing to designing, to packaging to logistics. Just about any type of an interest can be fulfilled with a career in manufacturing. And that's really the aha moment that students have, that when they go in, they see that it's not a bunch of people standing on a line attaching a widget to another widget. It's a wide variety of interesting and fascinating careers.
So with all the emphasis that we have in our community on the STEAM part of education, this is a pretty good way to connect those students to that, isn't it?
No question about that. This is a fantastic way to get them involved with it, not only through our talent tours that we have and with opening them up to opportunities at RESA for some additional training and at the STEAM labs at both of the high schools, but it also directs kids into the first robotics programs, which will show them, how that they can work or how to work together on a common goal and a common mission. And with the first robotics, it's again just like a manufacturing operation where you have people who have to raise money, who have to do marketing, but also have to design the robot and create it. And so it's a microcosm of a larger manufacturing operation. And we've seen more and more students moving into FIRST Robotics as a result of the Manufacturing Day tours.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.